Today I'm going to unbox these Samsung SSDs, the 870 EVO in 502 terabyte capacity. As far as the packaging, they are absolutely identical. The definitive SSD for every need. So that means there is no such a need that this SSD cannot satisfy, which is great, right? For more detailed warranty and product information, visit blah blah blah. Samsung Electronics 5-year limited warranty, which probably means it will last 5 years and then start glitching and die, or die instantly. Model numbers. Well, one interesting thing I noticed about these boxes is that on the side you have a build date, production date, and this is March 14th this year, so recently built, and it says made in China for the 2 terabyte version, and the small one was built also rather recently, February, and it's made in Korea. So very interesting, something that is not made in China, almost unbelievable. And the smaller one is in Korea, the bigger one in China. I think they have factories both in China and Korea, so it's like a random draw which country you will get. Okay, so I'll pause the video and open the boxes. And you have this plastic tray. Inside you have this, what is this? Installation guide. Interesting. Actually not interesting at all. And you have the SSD. I'm trying to figure out if it's aluminum on both sides, or is that plastic? No, I think it's, thank God, it's not made of plastic. The reason they are made of aluminum is because aluminum acts as a heatsink. For the chips that tend to get quite hot. Actually, the chip, the circuit board is, well, takes maybe less than half of this space. I think the rest is just filler to fill this old SATA form factor. And depending on which capacity you choose, there will be a difference in how many chips you have on the circuit board, obviously. Yeah, I think they are... Oh no, they are not identical. You see, the Korean one has a higher quality aluminum bottom portion. The top is the same. The China one has seems to have a... See, the texture is different. At the top is the same. So they don't come with any extra spacers or caddies for really old systems where you have, I guess, even extra space for larger drives. But typically, if it's an old laptop, you would have these spacers and caddies and cushions left in the laptop itself, so you could reuse them. So yeah, that's all. Not a very exciting or unpredictable or creative video, But yeah, these are one of the few remaining new, recently updated SATA form factor SSDs. Nowadays, most manufacturers are solely concentrating on the M.2 PCI Express disks. So it's good to see that at least Samsung is taking care of older systems that many of us still have and still like to use. So yeah, thanks for watching.